Okay, so this time we will learn how to use mail merge in Microsoft Office Publisher. A mail merge is a feature in Publisher that enables users to send a similar document to multiple recipients. So for example, we have a webinar and there are many participants. Using a mail merge, you can connect a single form template or certificate to a data sources that contains the information of the recipients. So for example, we have here more than 200 participants to a webinar and we need to give them an e-certificate. So we use this as our list of recipients. Take note, column A is participants for family name. Column B is the first name and C is the middle initial. So let's start opening the publisher. So let's go to built-in, or be sure that your certificates is already finished. So we have, for example, here the certificate of appreciation. So this is awarded to recipients, so multiple recipients. So we go to mailings. So under mailings, we have mail merge. So this is a user-friendly publisher. So you have here a step-by-step mail merge wizard. Okay, if you click on that, you will see here on the right how mail merge works. Use mail merge to automatically add mailings. So it requires recipient list. Okay, so first we have recipient list. Then second, we have publication with merge fields. And the third, we have merge publication. So we simply create a recipient list. So select the data source you want to use to create your recipient list. And you can add more data to your list from other sources later. So since we have already an existing list, like what I have shown a while ago, we will click use an existing list. Okay, and then we proceed to the next step to create or connect to a recipient list. So it will shows us the select data source. So select data source will appear. So our data is saved in the desktop. Okay, ShareDD, and the file name was for e-certificate by Eastern Samar and Southern Leyte. So we click that and click open. So a select table appears. Then click on the selected. Let's say we are going to give the certificate to Eastern Samar. So then click OK. So here we have the mail merge recipients. So these are the list of recipients. So participants is the column 1, remember, in the Microsoft Excel. So the column 1 is the family name. The column 2 is the first name. The column 3 is the middle name. Okay, so these are the data that we need. So we uncheck this one because if we will check it, that's the first to receive the e-certificate. So you need to uncheck. And uncheck also this one and this one. So, okay. So meaning, the first to receive the certificate is Abulario Alma R. Okay, then click OK. Okay, on the right side, you see there, okay, the mill merge. So we highlight first the data on which we will put the list. Okay, highlight the name, then click on the, we are preparing now for the publication. If we click participants, so it will be shown in the recipient. Then click F2, that's the first name. Participants is the family name. F2 is the first name. F3 is the middle initial. Okay, let's make this letter smaller so that it can accommodate the entire text. So meaning we merge this certificate to those participants in our Excel. Then we go to step 2 of 3, create merge publication. Okay, down below. Okay, so mill merge, create merge publication. We can click print preview. Okay, as you can see, so the first to receive the certificate is Abulario Alma R. So if we will click below, it will generate the next recipient, which is Aburolio Leonela G, and so on. So up to 391, we have created 391 certificates automatically to the recipient list. Okay, so we will add a period here or a comma, because if we will look at our preview, okay, preview number 1, you have Abulorio, there's no comma. After Abulorio should have comma, then a period after R, middle name. So we go back to the certificate, we add here comma after the family name, then period after the middle name, then click preview. Okay, so you have there Abulorio, comma, Alma R. So that depends on the way you construct. You can have it Leonela G. Aburolio. So in this way, we arrange it in such a way that the family name first. Then click merge to a new publication. So it is merging. Okay, it will load. So it will load a new publication. So you have there a new publication opens. So these publications shows now the certificates with the different recipients' name. So there are 391 of them automatically generated certificates for those recipient list. Okay? So the last to receive is Yudico Romeo S. Okay, then click File, Save as this PC, desktop. Okay, so let's have file name is e-certificate. Be sure that the certificate had been signed. So the first copy had been signed. So in our example, there's no signature for Juana. But for the actual, you need to have it signed with an e-signature. So our file name is e-certificate for Eastern Summer. then click save. Okay, so you're ready to print your certificate. You can also use an email merge when you can email this respective e-certificate to the respective email addresses. Hope you have learned something. Thank you very much for listening.